For centuries, money has been perceived as a mere instrument of trade, a symbol of material wealth, and sometimes even a source of conflict. However, beneath its conventional attributes lies a deeper truth: money is, at its core, a spiritual energy. Understanding money from a spiritual perspective can revolutionize our relationship with wealth, transforming the way we earn, spend, and share it. In this video, we delve into the spiritual essence of money and how embracing this perspective can lead to a more meaningful and harmonious life. Money, like energy, flows throughout the universe. It represents the exchange of value and the interconnectedness of all things. Viewing money as a spiritual energy allows us to recognize the abundance that exists within and around us. This shift in perception enables us to attract prosperity and manifest our desires with a positive mindset, knowing that we are deserving of the abundance that flows through the universe. Spiritually, money operates under the law of giving and receiving. The energy we put into the world through acts of generosity and compassion is returned to us in various forms, including financial abundance. By giving freely and with an open heart, we create a positive energy cycle that not only benefits ourselves but also extends to others. This reciprocity fosters a sense of interconnectedness and unity among humanity. When we perceive money as a spiritual energy, we recognize it as a tool for growth and transformation. Our financial choices become reflective of our values and aspirations. We use money to invest in our personal development, support meaningful causes, and create positive impacts on society. This alignment of our financial decisions with our spiritual values enriches our lives with purpose and fulfillment. A spiritual understanding of money encourages us to detach from materialistic desires and recognize that true wealth lies within our inner selves. Material possessions may bring temporary satisfaction, but lasting fulfillment comes from inner peace, love, and self-awareness. This realization frees us from the burden of constantly pursuing external possessions, leading to a greater sense of contentment. Practicing gratitude and appreciation for the money we have amplifies its spiritual energy. By expressing gratitude for what we have and acknowledging the value it brings to our lives, we invite more abundance to flow our way. This positive energy radiates outward, creating a cycle of continuous blessings. Money is not merely an object of transaction, it is a spiritual energy that connects us all. Understanding money from this perspective encourages us to foster a healthy relationship with wealth, aligning it with our higher purpose. Embracing the spiritual essence of money empowers us to create a life of abundance, generosity, and harmony. By using money as a tool for growth, giving, and appreciation, we can transform our lives and the world around us, bringing forth greater prosperity and spiritual fulfillment. Let us embrace the spiritual energy of money and use it as a force for good in our lives and the lives of others. I hope you like this video. Subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.